Hey there, fellow plant lovers. Today, we're diving deep into the world of potting soil and uncovering the essential ingredients you need to create the best soil for your beloved plant. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, understanding what goes into great potting soil can make a world of difference for your plant's health and growth. So, let's get our hands dirty and discover the secrets of crafting the perfect potting mix. First things first, what exactly is potting soil? It's the foundation for your plants, providing support, nutrients, and the right environment for roots to thrive. Now, let's break down the key ingredients that make up fantastic potting soil. Our first star ingredient is peat moss. This stuff is like magic for your plants. Peat moss helps retain moisture in the soil, preventing it from drying out too quickly. It's lightweight and fluffy, creating a well-aerated environment that's perfect for root growth. When you're shopping for peat moss, look for varieties that are sustainably sourced. Mixing peat moss into your potting soil is a game changer, especially for moisture-loving plants like ferns and tropicals. It's like giving your plants a cozy blanket to snuggle into. Next up, we have perlite, those little white specks you often see in potting mixes. Perlite is volcanic glass that's been superheated, creating a lightweight, porous material. Its job? To improve drainage and aeration in your soil. By adding perlite to your potting mix, you're ensuring that excess water can drain away, preventing your plant's roots from getting waterlogged. It's perfect for succulents and cacti that hate sitting in soggy soil. Now let's talk about the superhero of the gardening world, compost. Compost is nature's gold, packed with nutrients that plants love. It's made from decomposed organic matter like kitchen scraps, leaves, and grass clippings. When you mix compost into your potting soil, you're enriching it with essential nutrients and beneficial microorganisms. It's like serving up a hearty meal for your plants, ensuring they grow big and strong. Another secret ingredient is vermiculite. Like perlite, vermiculite is a mineral that's been processed for gardening use. It helps to improve soil aeration and water retention. Vermiculite is fantastic for seed starting mixes, creating a light and fluffy environment that encourages seed germination. It's also great for houseplants that prefer consistently moist soil. Now that we've covered these essential ingredients, let's bring it all together. To create the best potting soil for your plants, start with a base of peat moss and mix in equal parts perlite for drainage. Then, add compost to enrich the soil with nutrients and sprinkle in some vermiculite for extra aeration. Mix it all up until you have a well-blended potting mix that's light, fluffy, and ready to support your plants. And there you have it, the essential ingredients for the best potting soil. Experiment with these components to find the perfect mix for your plant's needs. Remember, healthy soil equals happy plants. Until next time, happy gardening! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, everyone!